Natalie. He says he hates it when he goes to the store and he says, "Can I have a size 10?" And he says, "Oh no, we don't have a size 10, but you can try our size 9." And he's like, "No, size 10." I'm like, foot size hasn't changed since our conversation. I always experience that, so that was the most recent joke that I thought was funny.
The funniest joke you ever come up with?
I can't remember. I mean, jokes, I can't remember. That's a strange question to ask me, because I don't remember. I don't recall.
Okay. I'll ask you, I'll say three names, and you tell me the first word that comes to your mind.
Cool.
Julius Malema.
Economic freedom fighter.
Something else?
Or you said the first thing that comes to my mind.
After that?
Economic freedom fighter. That's the only thing that comes to my mind. He's the EFF leader, commissar.
Helen Zille.
DA.
Oh, come on.
The first word that comes to my mind is DA. I'm being specific to the brief.
Okay.
She's the leader of the DA, and yeah.
Okay. Kanye West.
Kanye West, super extraordinary producer, very talented. Like some of the beats that Kanye West has made for music, next level. I think the first one would have to be the internet.
Why is that?
Because the internet pretty much covers everything. So if you're online, you can pretty much, you're online, man. You're on the internet. Everything is there. Movies are there. Music is there. Newspapers are there. So when I say internet, I pretty much cover everything. And then the one other thing that I can't live without, oxygen.
Your last awkward moment.
The last awkward moment. I have to dig deep. Oh, that's not even awkward. Oh, when you tell someone, I told someone I couldn't make it to something, and they bumped into me. I told them I was out of time, actually. And then they bumped into me on the street, and they were just like, and I was like, I've got a jet. That was the last really awkward moment. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's the one that creeps into my mind. This is a person who's looked at me all judgment.